Variables and data types in Python. Variables and data types are the most important components of any programming language. A variable is a named memory location that holds a value. As it is an identifier, the name given to any variable has to be in accordance with the rules for naming identifiers. The rules for naming an identifier are: it can include alphabets, digits, or an underscore. It cannot start with a digit. It cannot be a keyword. Python is case sensitive, and so school and school are two different identifiers. The same should be taken care while naming a variable. Creating a variable. In Python, a variable is created as soon as a value is assigned to it by using an assignment operator. For example, if we type the command distance is equal to 120 in interactive mode, we create a variable named distance with an initial value of 120. Similarly, if we type the command hobby is equal to reading, then a variable named hobby is created in the memory with its value as reading. We can display the value of these variables using the print command. Print distance will print the value 120 and print hobby will display the value reading. The same rule applies when we use the script mode as well. If we open the editor and type the commands hobby is equal to dancing, distance is equal to 50, print hobby, print distance. Now we save the file with the name trial.py and then run it by pressing F5. You can see that the values of both the variables assigned using the assignment operator are displayed in the output. When a value is assigned to a variable, it is associated with an identity that points to a memory location where the value is stored and the type of data stored. The type of data that is stored is referred to as data type of the variable. Let us now learn more about data types. The variable distance stores the value 120, which is a whole number. So, the data type is integer, whereas the variable hobby stores a set of characters. Its data type is string. Likewise, Python supports a number of data types such as int, float, string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Let us first see what a number data type is. A number data type can store both positive and negative numbers. The two types of number data types are int and float. For example, 10, 45.6, minus 46, 1.3, 0.0076, 274, etc. An int or an integer variable stores a positive or negative whole number, that is, a number without the decimal. It can be of any length. For example, variable is equal to 25. Number is equal to minus 123. Here, var and num are integer variables. A float or a floating point variable stores a positive or a negative number containing a decimal. For example, marks is equal to 35.5. A is equal to minus 45.987. A float value can also be expressed using scientific notation, as in the example here. P is equal to 34.7 e to the power minus 6. In this example, e indicates the power of 10. Hence, the value of P is 34.7 into 10 to the power minus 6. String. A string is a data type that stores characters. The value of a string is enclosed in double or single quotation marks. For example, name is equal to Jenny. Gender is equal to F. So, now you know that knowledge of variables and data types is very important for learning any programming language.